Got us a little project today, courtesy of my local dealer. Called me. I guess this must be for a buddy or a good customer, because normally he don't call me for this stuff. But it suffered a injury. I guess this was part of it. The other part was it ripped the back bar stud out. I think he tried to put an insert in it. Looks like I can see one in there, but I'm guessing it must have ripped out too. This is the stock, OEM stud he gave me for it. So, I guess, see if we can do something with it. This is the back one, so it's a little harder than the front one. It's tighter. It's right on the oil passage. Comes up, so we don't have all the room in the world to work with here. It does go straight clear through into the oil tank, but about the same situation on the back. You pretty much got the same amount of room. I think what I'm going to do is, I think I'm going to make a insert for this. I think I'm going to make me a solid insert and try that first. I think that'll work fine. If it don't, then we'll pull it out and I'll turn down a piece of mag rod and stick in there. I'll do a light press fit, drive it in, and then I'll weld it on the top and around the sides where I can reach it, and then re-drill it and tap it. But I think an insert will work fine in this case. So yeah, we'll get to work. Bring you back when I got something to look at. Alright, I'm back. It's like 2 days later, because when I went to make an insert, tap snapped. I didn't have another one, so I had to wait for one, but I got an insert made. I think the plan is pretty well established here. I'm gonna drill this hole out to the tap size for 1/2-13. That's what this is. The big giant tap is. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut a groove down the side of this. Approximately 3/32 or somewhere thereabouts. If it's a little smaller, that's fine. But anyway, the point of the groove is once I thread this in there, I'm going to run a drill down that groove into the case, and then I'm going to drive a piece of this 308 filler wire up in beside it, pin it in place, and green Loctite it in. So it should never come out or spin. If it spins, something's probably broke bad. Hopefully it doesn't land in that chunk, but if it does, that's fine. It'll just be a little less of it pinned down in there. Anyway, I think I'm ready to drill this thing out. I'm just going to step it up real slow. I'm just going to step up slow to try to keep the hole centered on there. Just drill it through. And yeah, I think we should be good. I'll bring you back here directly. Alright, I think we won. There it is. There's a pin drove down the side of it. Just gotta put the new stud in now. I already chased that through, it's all good. So this should work how it's supposed to. A little tight. Not too bad though. Sorry about the subpar camera work. Saw. Alright. I believe that's gonna do it. Get the rest of the stuff put back on this side and take this baby back to its owner. I'll get you another picture when it's all the way back together though. Alright. Alright, here it is. Completed repair. I didn't get the clutch cover with this saw, but this is one of my broken ones just to test fit. Can't tell anything happened when you get all the covers on. I think she'll do. Alright. Button this thing up. Get the tag back on it and get it back to my dealer so he can give it back to his customer. Alright. You guys have a good one.